y'all? It's your girl Kadia, aka Mariama May, and I am back again with another video. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for returning to the channel. And as you can see by the title, let's just get right into it. Okay, so what I use to oil my scalp is, one, I use the Supergirl, it's the Supergirl by the Bronner Bros, like hair grease actually, because when I use oil, it just, my hair just literally just soaks it up. And then I don't do it all the time, I do it like maybe 2 times a week. So I use this, and I also go with the Blue Magic Coconut Oil Hair Conditioner. So I'm gonna put this on first, and then I'll put this on next. And then I usually go in with a little bit of the Wild Hair Growth Oil, just a little bit at the end, because like when I use oil on my scalp, sometimes like it literally just, my hair just drinks it up so fast. And then as you know, this is I use a Suave Max Hold Volumizing Mousse. This is for when you have braids. It just like keeps your natural hair, your flyaways like down. So let's get right into it. Going in first, like I said, with this, then this, a little bit of this, and the mousse. And then you might need just like a large hair tie, because y'all will see why. And then if I'm looking right here, it's because a mirror is right here, but I will try and maybe accommodate and use the camera. Okay, so here I'm just using the hair tie to, of course, keep the other side of my hair, and going in with the Blue Magic conditioner, very good for just conditioning the scalp and keeping it healthy. Okay, so that took me a while, but now, like I said, I only do this like, this is my second time this week, because I did it Monday and now it's Saturday, but going in, obviously I won't have to do it again, but my hair was looking dry. So now in with, actually, as you can see, like my hair, it is looking much more oiled, and then I just ran it down the strand. This is a Supergirl with vitamin E, sage, and sulfur, coconut oil, paraben free, and this is rich in protein, so I'm not gonna put as much, but I'm gonna just glide it through my hair as well, separating it. So we're gonna get into this, and then I'll come back for this and loose. Okay, here I'm just doing the same thing, using the hair tie and my fingers, just gliding through the scalp and get it nice and oiled. Okay, so as y'all can see, it's definitely looking like, it looks greasy right now, but like I said, it lasts me where I only have to do it like once. Now I'm gonna go in with like the last finishing touches, which is just the Wild Hair Growth. And here I just kind of use the tube a little bit, as well as my fingers, just to moisturize my scalp. Okay, so as y'all can see, that was kind of a lot. And y'all can see that my hair is oiled. It was definitely feeling dry. It was looking dry. So now I'm about to do the mousse. So I'm gonna just get my hands a little wet. Actually, cause like that's like kind of like a conditioner. So the Blue Magic is like a scalp conditioner. So I'm gonna have my hands be a little wet. Go through the braids again. Now it's time to use the mousse. This is just for those flyaways. See that in there? And then of course the bonnet will take some of it away. But let me show y'all what she's looking like. So this is what she's looking like right now. Oiled, not dry. My hair, of course, is growing in. So yeah, now it looks like very good and just fresh, but it's no longer like dry looking or whatever. Okay, so I'm all done with my hair. Now I'm just gonna put my bonnet on, and then I probably won't have to do this again for a while. This is how I put the bonnet on sometimes. Make sure it's all up in there. And this is how it's gonna be. So without further ado, we're up.